Today we are going to talk about what personal information should you add in your resume. Things that you should add and things you should avoid writing in your resume. Let's find out. The most important thing, never write resume as a heading. Your name should take center stage of your resume. If your name is long, write only the first and last name. Do not write your nickname. Provide a mobile number where potential employers can easily reach you at any time. Your email ID should sound like a professional one. Do not ever provide your work email ID if you are a working professional. Write your current address. One of the advantages is that it may benefit your application if you live close to your place of work. Mention only those social media links which are relevant to the job. A LinkedIn profile can be used in any case. A resume isn't a classified ad, and a recruiter don't care about how you look. Other information that should not be included in your resume. Parents' name, nationality, race, disability, gender, religion, marital status. Now that you know what you should include on, and exclude from, your resume, let's make your work easier. Build your resume with Resume Buddy, and in just few clicks your professional resume is created. Use code RESUME450 and get Resume Buddy at flat 400 rupees. All the best.